From the 1st of January 2025, companies can no longer benefit from the transition period for Poison Centre notifications. As of then, all notifications must be in the harmonised format. This applies to companies whose mixtures were earlier notified according to national guidelines. If your company is affected, you now need to submit a new notification to continue placing your mixtures on the market. A unique formula identifier, or UFI, must also be included on the label. Stay compliant. Prepare and submit your notification using the ECHA submission portal. Visit our Poison Centre website for more details.